In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew expired domains on Hostinger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, reliable process to bring an expired domain back to life inside your Hostinger account. I'll explain what to click, where to go, and a few handy tips so the renewal goes smoothly. Begin by visiting the Hostinger website and logging into your account. Use the My Account or H-Panel login link to access your personalized dashboard. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right account, especially if you manage multiple domains. Once you're in H-Panel, locate and click on the Domains area. This is where Hostinger lists every domain you own. From there, open your domain portfolio to see details for each domain, including status and expiration dates. Look for the domain that shows as expired or pending renewal. When you find the domain, click Renew to start the renewal process. This will add the renewal to your cart and prepare it for payment. After clicking Renew, head back to the homepage or the main navigation and locate the Billing section. Billing is the hub for all transactions and invoices related to your services. In Billing, choose the payment method option. This step lets you select how you want to pay for the renewal. Depending on the payment gateways available in your region, you can pick a saved card, PayPal, or another supported method. Select the payment method you prefer and confirm any details needed for the selected option. Review your payment information carefully before completing the transaction. Once everything looks correct, click the Complete Payment button to finalize the renewal. After the payment is processed, Hostinger will reactivate the domain and update its status in your domain portfolio. A few quick tips. Make sure your billing details are up to date before starting and check your email for the renewal receipt. If you rely on the domain for email or a live website, allow a short period for DNS and service restoration. Consider enabling auto renewal after this process to avoid manual renewals in the future. That's it. A straightforward path from logging in to restoring an expired domain on Hostinger. If this helped, remember to subscribe and like the video for more clear,